Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll solve one more numerical based on the type 1. So the statement is determine the resultant of the force acting as given in the figure. So this is the given figure. We had already solved numerical in previous video. You can watch that video. So this question was asked in the Mumbai University in the May 2016. So before going to the actual solution, we should check few things. So the first thing is identify inclined forces. So in this figure, number of forces are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of 4 forces, F1, F2 and F3 are the inclined forces. 20 Newton is a vertical force. So only 3 inclined forces are present in this figure. Then find the angle of all forces with x-axis. 70 Newton is making an angle 45 degree with the x-axis. The angle of 15 Newton is given with respect to 70 Newton. So we should convert it with respect to x-axis. So total angle of 15 Newton is 15 plus 45. So it is 60 degree. 25 Newton is making an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. So we have calculated the angle of all the forces with horizontal. At the end, check the direction of all the forces. So 50 Newton, 70 Newton, 25 Newton and 20 Newton, all the forces are outward. So now we'll go to the actual solution. We'll start with the resolution. Now we'll find out the resolution for all the inclined forces starting with 70 Newton. So we'll go in the anti-clockwise direction. 70 Newton, angle with the horizontal is 45 degree. So its horizontal component will point towards right direction. So this is the horizontal component. Its value will be force into cos theta. So force 70 into cos 45. The next component is vertical. Its value will be sin theta, force into sin theta. So 70 sin 45. So in this way you can calculate the horizontal and vertical component for any inclined force. The next force is 50 Newton. It makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. So this is the horizontal component of the inclined force. So its value will be F cos theta, that is 50 cos 60. And the vertical component will point upward and its value will be 50 sin 60. The next force is 25 Newton. Its angle with the horizontal is 60 degree. Now the horizontal component of this force will point towards the right direction and its value will be F cos theta, that is 25 cos 60, and the vertical component will lie in the downward direction and its value will be 25 sin 60. So in this way, when the angle with the horizontal is known, we can directly write the fx value is equal to F cos theta and Fy value will be F sin theta, and this is the last vertical force 20 Newton. Now we'll write the summation of Fx. Summation of Fx is the addition of all horizontal component. For your understanding, I have colored all the horizontal component with the green color. So starting with the right side, the first component will be 70 cos 45. The next component will be 50 cos 60. Then for 20 Newton, the Fx component will be 0 and at the end 25 cos 60. So in this way you can calculate the summation of Fx for all other component. Only remember, for the vertical force, the Fx component will be 0. So we'll see what is the addition of summation of Fx. So these are the values. At the end, we'll get summation of Fx is equal to 86.997 Newton. Now we'll find out the resolution of vertical component. Now we will find summation of Fy. Now all the yellow color mark here are the vertical components. So start with the right side. Fy is equal to 70 sin 45. The next component is 50 sin 60. The next component is 20, but it is pointed in the downward direction, that's why it is minus. And the next component is 25 sin 60. Again it points toward the down direction, that's why it is minus. For horizontal components, we have considered the direction in the same way. Towards right is positive and towards left is negative. And for the vertical component, we have considered upward direction is positive and downward direction is negative. In this way, we have written the equation for the summation of Fy. So this is the answer of summation of Fy. And final answer we get 51.148. So this is the value of Fy. So in this way, by doing the resolution of forces, we can easily calculate the value of summation of Fx and summation of Fy. If you don't understand it, you can rewatch this video for better understanding. Now we will find resultant for the given force system. So the resultant formula is square root of summation of Fx square plus summation of fy square. So I'll put the values of summation of fx and fy here. So I'll get the value of resultant is equal to 100.919 Newton. Then we'll find out the angle of resultant. Angle of resultant is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of summation of fy divided by summation of fx. Again put the value of fy and fx in this equation. So theta is equal to 30.452. Representation of resultant. So summation of fx is known, it is positive, so it points toward the right direction. Summation of fy is also known, it is 51.148, its value is positive, and we know that upward direction is positive, so this is again positive. So resultant will lie in the first quadrant. So this is the representation of the resultant. Write the magnitude of the resultant and show the angle. So this is the angle and its value is 30.452. So in this way we can solve this numerical. To solve this numerical, the basic and the most important thing is to find the resolution of inclined forces. If you are able to find it, you will easily solve this numerical and you can easily score 5 marks in the university question paper. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.